Welcome to Key Textiles Company Limited. Key Textile Company Limited is the fastest growing garment manufacturing company in Ghana. Key Textiles was founded with a motive Pret a Porter, which also means ready-to-wear garment in the market. Our focus is on the local and international market, which we supply with our quality ready-to-wear garments. Our factory is ensured with safety quality precautive measures, which also help in effective and efficient production. We have over 200 workforce who have undergone both in-service and post-service training. Here in Key Textiles Company Limited, we have the administration, the sales and marketing department, the carton department, production department, and packaging department. I am Isaac Kwame Lampe, the head of human resource.
Cindy Taylor. I'm the industrial engineer for Key Textiles Company Limited. We are currently at the production floor. Production in Key Textiles starts at the cutting department. When the bundling is done, the line feeder brings these prepared bundles from the cutting department up to the sewing floor. The first operator takes the bundles from the rack, and then the sewing is done in an assembly line. The average SMV for the t-shirt is 4 minutes for each t-shirt. The daily target for t-shirt line is 2,000, and then the daily target for the hoodie is 500 pieces. When the t-shirt is being run in the line, we have the inline QC who checks the quality of the stitches, the SPIs, and other inline checking. After the garments have been stitched together, the end-line QC checks for any defect on the garment. It can be a snag, it can be open seam, or any broken stitches. All these checkings are done so that the final output of the garment comes out perfectly well. In the sewing line, we have mechanics readily available. The mechanics see to the day-to-day repair of any broken machine in the line, so that the production is not delayed. When the end-line checkers finish checking the finished garment, the presses from packaging, they come for the good garment. Pressing is done, folding, packaging, and then dusting. Then we have the product ready to be shipped to the customer.
Hello, welcome to Key Textiles Company Limited. My name is Cynthia Accra, and I'm at the sales and marketing department. Key Textiles has been in existence in Ghana since 2017. Our main objective is to produce ready-to-wear apparel for both corporate and the local market. Now, we want to extend our market to the international world, from US, European countries, and the Asia. We are into the manufacturing of round neck shirts, cotton, and polyester. We do ladies spaghetti tops, we do ladies leggings, hoodies, joggers, and sweatshirt. Walk into our showroom off the Spinters Road, number 77 Market Road, and have a feel of our made in Ghana goods.